Today we are cooking Olive Bar chicken. Olive Bar chicken is one of my favorite weeknight dinner hacks because all you need is the chicken and the bits from the serve yourself Olive Bar, and you're gonna end up with a fantastic dinner. Roasting an entire chicken is a great dinner hack because you put it in the oven and you forget about it. But on the weeknight, roasting an entire chicken, which could take almost an hour, is not a great hack. So I like to buy the split fryer, which is basically just the best parts of the whole chicken, but already cut up for you. If your grocery store doesn't sell a split fryer already done, you can ask the butcher to do it and they will do it there for you. Hot tip, because the chicken is already cut up, it's gonna cook a lot faster than if we were cooking a whole chicken. So in the bottom of my heavy Dutch oven, I've got 2 tablespoons of oil, and I'm gonna add to that my chicken, skin side down, so we get it brown and crispy. While the chicken browns, we're gonna chop up an onion into slices. Once the chicken has browned and crisped up a little bit, we're gonna flip it over. Once the chicken is browned, we're gonna add to the pan 1 cup of chicken broth, the Olive Bar bits, and the onion. We're gonna cover it and bake it. It's about a half hour, but you're gonna need to test it with your thermometer because everybody's chicken is a little bit different thickness. For this, you can add whatever Olive Bar bits you like best. I choose Kalamata olives, sun-dried tomatoes in oil, and tapenade. Usually I like the marinated artichoke hearts too, but they were out this week, so instead I'm using green olives. So that's it. That's how fast that dinner comes together. It's so easy, so quick. I usually make a pasta on the side because I'm feeding teenagers. A green salad's a great idea too, but on its own, this is delicious and it makes amazing leftovers. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you back here soon.